Hi friends, welcome to RK SoftAcademy. This is the continuation session of my previous video on the topic of Oracle group functions. Okay, so in this video I'll discuss one by one how many group functions are there and how we can use this in our programming. Okay, or even in our SQL statements. Okay. This is the topics we will cover in today's session, this video session. So introduction I already covered in my previous video of Oracle group functions, that is in part 1. So in this video I will go to the group functions, whatever the group functions available in SQL, Oracle SQL. Okay, so this is starting from count function. There are you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 main group functions are there. I'll show you one by one with examples and practical. Okay, so first of all I'll discuss about the count function. Now I'll connect to my SQL prompt. So this is my SQL prompt. From this SQL prompt I will connect to our database. Okay, Oracle database. So we have when we install the Oracle database, we have our table that is the EMP table. When you install the Oracle database in your computer system, that is Oracle database. So by default Oracle database creates some tables, and EMP table is one of them. So we have our EMP table already created when installed the Oracle database. So to show the all the records from EMP table, what is the command we'll write in SQL? This is the SQL command line. So it is showing SQL greater than sign, and in SQL command line we'll write a command to see the all the records of EMP table. So I'll write here SQL statement that is select star from EMP. So when we write this command select star from EMP, that will display all the records from EMP table. Okay, so as I told, EMP table already created when when we install our Oracle database. So to fetch all the records from EMP table, we have to write a query that is select query, and this is the query select star from EMP. And this query or SQL statement ends with a semicolon. Remember it, it will end with a semicolon, and I will just press enter, and it is displaying all the records. So there are 14 records in my EMP table. Okay, so now I'll show you one by one our group functions, how I can what is the use of our group functions. So this is the count. First one is count function. What is count function gives? This count function gives the record count or not null values. It gives the total record count. Okay, or where the values found not null. Okay, so it will give the total record count. So I'll show you. So to use that count function, I have to write again a select statement, that is select count star. I have to use from EMP. So when I write select count star from EMP, it will show me how many records are there in the EMP table. Okay, so see here 14 is showing. That means our EMP table has 14 records. Okay, So this is the use of count function, and next is max function. So this max function gives the maximum value of a specific column or field. Okay, so actually these are called field or column. EMP number is a column of EMP table, EMP name is a column or field. So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 field or 8 column, you can say. Okay, so now I'll show you max function. This gives the maximum value for a specific column or field. Okay, so let's say I'll taking the cell or salary. There is employee number is there. This is employee table. So in this employee table, employee records are stored. So employee number, employee name, their job or designation. Their role or designation is there, and their manager ID is there. This is the employee ID and this is their manager ID, and hire date, on which date they have joined in the company, and salary, their individual salary, and commission. For the salesperson, they have the commission. That's why this for salesperson has the commission and other not have the commission. And department number, in which department they are working. Okay, so now I'll show you the max function. Okay, so I want to see the max salary, maximum of salary. Which salary is maximum in this in this employee table? Okay, or which salary is the maximum? So how I can see that? I have to write a SQL statement with the max function. Okay, so I'm writing select max of salary. Okay, max of column name or field name. On which field I have to find the maximum value. Okay, so select max salary cell from EMP. Okay, so see here 5000 is the maximum salary, and no other value is equal to 5000. All other values are less than 5000. Okay, so this is the 5000 is max salary for this employee. Okay, so this is the use of max function. Okay, I am going to third function, that is min. Okay, so this gives the opposite of max, means gives the minimum value of a specific field or column, just opposite of max. So I have to write to use that min function. It will give the minimum value of salary. So to find the minimum value of salary, I have to write the select query like this: select min cell from EMP. Okay, so I am writing the select min cell from EMP, that will show me the minimum salary from the employee table. Okay, so see here 800 is the minimum salary and all other salary is greater than 800. So in that way I am getting the minimum salary from this table. Okay, so next we will move to some functions. So sum functions gives the total sum of a specific column, okay, or field. So I want to know the sum of all the salary. Okay, so how I can find it? I can find it by the select query like this: select sum of cell. Okay, sum of salary from EMP. So if I write this command and press enter, this will give the summary or total salary, sum of total salary in the salary field, and this is 29,025 rupees. Okay, so this is the sum of total salary in the salary field. Okay, so this is the use of sum functions, and last one is AVJ, that is average functions. So this gives the average value of a specific column or field. So I know we already know what is average mean. So to find the average of salary from EMP table, we have to write a command, select Avg. We have to use the Avg function for this, Avg of sal from EMP. Okay. So I have to press enter, and this is the average value of salary from EMP table, that is 2073.21, like this. So this is the average value of salary from the EMP table. So all the group functions already I shown you with the queries, select statement, and how we can find how we can use the group functions. Okay, and we have taken the EMP table to show all the group functions and their execution. Okay, so I think you have understood all the group functions and their use, and that's all for this video. And if you like this video, you just subscribe my channel and just give a like and subscribe my channel, so that you will get the future notification of my next video. And also, if you want to join my online training session, just contact me on the number which is given in the thumbnail, or you can email me on the given email ID in the description, also in the thumbnail. And after all the process, you can join in online training session. So I'm providing a online SQL complete SQL training session, complete Oracle PL/SQL programming training session, complete Oracle forms and reports development, that is client server business application development training session. And also I am providing a Unix shell scripting training session. So if you are interested to join my online training, just contact with me in my number. You can directly call with in my number, or WhatsApp me, or you can email me for your in which course or training you want to attend. And after all the process, you can attend my training session, and you can learn on the complete training on which topics you want to get your training. Okay, so that's all for this session. Hope you have learned some new topics and all of the group functions very well, and you can use it in your work. Or who are new, just you get to know new things about Oracle database topics, and all the functions of SQL group functions. So that's all for this training and for this tutorial session. Just like my video and subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.